One more thing.
I'm taking my
This is a
thing.
demonstration. You're going to have to put that down because I'm going to use your hand for a demonstration.
Oh, okay.
This is the ironMATIK. You do not need to have an ironing board. This is a ironing mat. Right here, I'm going to iron this. This iron is warm.
Yeah.
I'm going to do this. Now I'm going to put my hand under. Right there. Ironing mat. It's hot, but my hand isn't burning. I'm going to do this on the table.
Right.
Touch the table and tell me if that table's hot.
It is not hot, folks.
It is not hot. This has 7 layers in it to protect you and to protect your table. This ironing mat, and we have
it. You can do it on the kitchen counter.
You want to do this on the kitchen counter, on furniture. You are safe to do it on just a wide table like this because not everybody wants to walk up to the 3rd floor where they have their ironing room. This makes it convenient for you, and you can travel with it. It fit in my carry-on.
Also, I have a tiny apartment. I don't want to store a giant ironing board. I would much rather just use my stupid kitchen table. That would be great.
This is something that provides a solution where if you don't want to set up the ironing board, you just use the mat where you want it at your convenience. And they have a mitt that goes with it. So if you have a shirt and you're trying to iron a shirt like that weird angle, look at that.
Okay.
Look at that.
47% off on that one, Gail.
$49.99.
Of course, we